Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to jump start your Mercedes C300. Your Mercedes C. You want to open up your driver's side door, and then down here under the dash there's going to be a little red lever. Pull that. That's going to pop your hood. Then you'll come around here. The hood won't just open up. There's a secondary latch right here. So pull that, and that'll release the hood, let it go up. And then over here under the plastic, you'll see the little plus sign. Pull that up, and then this will be there, the little red plus sign. Pull that back. That's your positive connection, and then this is your negative connection here. You can jump start it with jumper cables like from another car, but I'm going to use a jump box. This is the NOCO Boost Pro. You can use this jump box or any other, and we'll connect the positive first like so, and then our negative over here to this post second. Turn our box on. You can go ahead and start it, and then you can start the vehicle up. There you go. That's how to jump start your Mercedes. Go ahead and turn our box off. Shows our alternator voltage is pretty low. It might come up in a minute. There it goes. All right, that's good. And disconnect everything. Slide it all back. Bada boom, back on the road. There you go. There you go. That's how to jump start your Mercedes. I hope it helped you out. I gotta get some sunglasses out here. It's too bright down here in Florida. Anyways, hope that video helped you guys out. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.